Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can remove watermark from the video. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys two methods on how you can remove the watermark. This is not how you can blur the watermark, because even if you blur the watermark it will still appear in the video, so it will look like weird. So I'm going to show you how you can actually remove the watermark and it doesn't show in the video anymore. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, you just need to click on create design, and I'm going to go with video here. I'm going to click on video. Now for second thing you need to do, guys, you just need to upload the video. So you can click on uploads and you want to click on upload files, and then you want to upload the video that has a watermark and you want to remove it. Okay, so this is the video, just wait for it to upload. Now we are done uploading the video. Now I want to drag the video here.
Hi guys, in today's tutorial
I'm to pause it. Okay, so what you guys need to do is, as you can see the video, okay, so the first method is not going to work for everyone, of course. Okay, now this is just the available method on like Canva. Okay, so if the watermark is in the right or in the left, you can just drag the video to the side. I know this is not going to work for everyone, but if the video you don't have any problem with this, if the video is not corrupted or anything like that, it looks still good even though you drag the video to the side, and so that you don't see the watermark anymore in the video. If that's good, okay. If it's not good, then I understand. So you just need to close your Canva because it's not available on Canva. So you just need to open this this site. It's called Online Video Cutter, and it says here remove logo watermark from the videos. You can just search here for remove watermark from video, and the website will appear in the top here. Click on remove and then click on open file, and then you want to select the video. Okay, so as you can see, I'm going to remove this ad. As you can see, just need to highlight the logo, or as you can see, this is the watermark. Just highlight it, okay, and then click on apply. As you can see, the watermark is gone, it's not here anymore. Okay, that's like another way you can do to remove the watermark from the video. Okay, if you don't like this, you can just go back and do that again, okay, until you remove the watermark completely from the video. Okay, I'm going to click here on remove. I'm going to select again this, okay, and as you can see, I'm going to click on apply, and look, the watermark is gone, it's not here anymore. Okay, and now you can click on save, and then click on export, and then you can download the video, and then you can use it as you want. Okay, now you have removed the watermark. Now it's not available on Canva. I tried multiple times to do this, it just doesn't work. Okay, so that's just how you can do this. If this one helped you, please drop a like and let me know in the comments if it works. If it doesn't work, let me know in the comments. I will give you another solutions, guys, in the comments. And yeah, drop a like and see you guys next video.